That we've had is to bring teams together. So you're not just learning to be a doctor or just learning to be a nurse, but you're actually learning to be a team in the healthcare system. And that's really a philosophy change. And we're one of the few places in Canada that has really moved to this philosophy of building interprofessional teams together. And so we look forward to you helping us to learn what that is.
Your path to get there and whatever it is that you end up doing doesn't necessarily have to be straight and narrow. And probably will end up meaning that you have fall down and fail at some points. And that's okay. And you probably will go the wrong way and you can come back. Just as long as you keep that in your heart where you feel you need to be and the things you need to be doing that keep you happy and satisfied and motivated and driven.
And be disciplined. And it's a long journey, so it's important to enjoy the process and to use this time to explore and to learn more about yourself and why you want to do the things that you feel compelled to do.